Good news. YouTube is now giving second chances. Second chances to YouTubers, to creators. So if YouTube have actually terminated your channel before, and then you have given up, you're like, oh my God, YouTube, you broke my heart. And you're thinking you cannot create another channel or you cannot be brought back. You know the way they usually say that their message now, the way they say, we are sorry, your channel has been terminated and we cannot put you back up. You will not be able to, we are sorry, we won't be able to put this channel back up and you will not be able to create another channel. Now they have changed that and they're now giving second chances. Although this is not like something new, but now it is now effective. They actually spoke about it sometimes last year, yes, but now it is now very much effective, yes. You know, sometimes YouTube will just bring out something, but they are actually still working on it, you understand? Although I will not say this has actually come to like a conclusion, but it's in progress because some people have started seeing it on their YouTube studio and they're making video about it. After watching my video, you can go ahead and check YouTube and see other people that have actually been seeing this on their YouTube studio. You can even go on Google, search Google. You can see for yourself. People actually, if you check Reddit, you see people actually seeing it. So it's now rolling out massively, although not to everybody yet, but you need to check if you're actually among those. But this is for those that have actually gotten their channel terminated. So I'm actually looking down. Let me just take my phone. It's because I don't want to say it from my head. I want to read it to you guys as it is. So you can see. Okay, let me break this down. How will this work? In case if you are wondering that YouTube already terminated my channel, how will this work? You can see they said over the next several weeks, eligible creators will begin to see an option to request a new channel when they log into their YouTube studio on desktop with their previously terminated channel. Creators whose requests are accepted will be able to create new channel. You understand? So that's how it will be. It's going to be on your the desktop version. You know, when you log in on hand, so just log in. You can try to use the email that was terminated. So that's been said. So for those of you asking, I'm actually going to reading out a few FAQ. If you need the full details, the full information, head over to just check YouTube blog. It's there already. It's online. Like, it is everywhere. So I don't want this video to be too long. So I just picked out a few FAQ questions that I feel like you might ask. So if you guys are thinking, not like somebody asks, it's an FAQ question. Do I get my content and my subscribers back if I am approved for a new channel? In case if you are wondering, this is a fresh start on YouTube. Just like many other platforms, you can build back on community through your new channel. You can also re-upload any of your prior videos that are within our community guidelines. You know, when YouTube terminates your channel, they usually tell you that you cannot re-upload. Even if that particular video did not go against any of their community guidelines, as long as you have uploaded it in your previously terminated channel. If you create a new channel and then you now re-upload any of that video, you will get circumvention policy. That's why some people will say, YouTube gave me circumvention policy. That could be one of the things. But right now, they are giving you liberty. As long as that video is in line, you can re-upload that particular video and you will not be getting circumvention policy. Do you get it? You get it? This is actually very amazing. Good news for those people that have actually gotten their channel terminated. Okay, I said it's not right now it's not entirely for everybody. So if you want to know the criteria that is being used for them to be able to pick people, okay, let me read it out. We will consider several factors when evaluating requests for new channel, like whether the creator committed particularly severe or persistent violation of our community guidelines or terms of service, or whether the creator or whether the creator's on or off platform activity harm or may continue to harm the YouTube community, like channels that endanger key safety. Additionally, these pilots will be available to creators terminated for copyright infringement. So those of you that got copyright strike, just know that this is not for you. Or those who have violated our creator responsibility, you can go ahead. Just like I said, go to YouTube blog, it's there. Click on it. I don't want this video to be too long. You can go and know. If you don't know what creator responsibility is, if I'm saying all of that in this video will be so long. So just go ahead, make your own research and also read more to fully understand policy. Creators who deleted their YouTube channel, Google account will not be able to see the request a new channel option at this time because, you deleted it yourself. They were not the ones. So obviously you don't expect them to give you a new request. So if you are the one that deleted your channel yourself, you don't expect to see that. So the next FAQ question, can I apply for a new channel as soon as my old one is terminated? Channel termination are still a serious penalty. So creators are not eligible to apply for a new channel until 1 year after their channel was terminated. However, during that year, creator can still apply, can still appeal the channel termination if they think we got it wrong. And our team will take another look. So this one is just like saying that you will still be punished, but just that the punishment is now lessened. So you will still be punished for like 1 year, obviously, like just say, 1 year. But if you know that you have been terminated for at least a year, then just log in with that account and go and check if you have been chosen, if you met this criteria. And remember, those that got copyright strike, maybe their channel got terminated due to copyright strikes, you are not eligible. But if it's not copyright strike, maybe they just say, we are sorry, the channel has been terminated due to community guidelines. No, that is like their normal vague language. You understand? Community guidelines. In fact, I would love to make a video. Oh my God, I don't know. I'll try and find time about comments. You know that sometimes the kind of comments you make can actually cause you to lose your channel. Yes, the kind of comments you make. You can go ahead and read it in case if I'm not able to make that video. But if I am able to make that video, I will definitely make it for you guys to be able to see. But you can still go ahead and read to see how the kind of comments you make on people's videos can affect your channel. So using your main channel, I'm trying to strain my voice to talk because of the noise around. Using your main channel to comment in a way that is against YouTube community guidelines can cause your channel to be terminated, even though your videos are, good, you're actually posting your own videos, you're not going outside YouTube community guidelines, you're following everything, your original content. See, the kind of content you make, that's the content, the kind of comments you make. So that's why before you make that comment, think twice, or even if you want to make that comment, maybe if it's paying you, don't use your main channel that you know that you want to monetize. You can just use a random thing. But I'm not saying that you should, I'm not encouraging that actually. I'm just telling you that be careful of what you do, the kind of activities you do with your original channel that you plan to monetize here on YouTube. Yeah, if you find value, if you learned anything, if you're excited about this good news, please do well to hit on the like button, do well to subscribe, and do well to share. See you again in our next video. Bye, guys.